Hi, this is Russ Somma, Somma Tech. Yeah, this year at the Interphex, I had the opportunity to attend several of the stage presentations, the innovation stage presentations, and what I found was the synergies among them and the oral solid dosage form tour was, I wouldn't say unique and surprising, but certainly pleasing. What I found was they're doing some very good research on continuous process at Rutgers University, this SCOP group there in the engineering school. Brian Hausner has actually done some work where they are identifying processes and identifying control systems along with their partners for use in continuous process. And I think it's continuous process seems to be an old technology. People say, well, I've seen it, it's hard to deal with. I think in today's day and age, continuous process has to be considered hybrid technology, semi-continuous technology, or an opportunity. I always look at it as a way to avoid scale-up. I'd rather make on a small scale on a continuous process than scale up and make one big batch. That's my personal opinion. Basically, what I found too was the synergies with the stuff that we had seen, the material and the equipment that we've seen on the oral solid dosage form tour. In that particular case, we've seen the people at the GEA, and they were doing stuff that we're talking about as far as a continuous process. This process lends itself to inline processing, such as roller compaction, and there have been some really great strides in that area. Coating work, still a little bit semi-continuous, however, in a lot of situations, I think where the process has really taken a great approach is the use of dry blend and the use of the PAT applications for inline continuous process. I keep saying that. I think what people forget and what efforts was really made by the folks at Rutgers is that you have to have the software in place. And by software, I'm not talking computerware. You have to have the quality organizations and the business acumen and pretty much the mettle to want to go in that direction. Certainly the technology, based on what we've seen on our tour between the vendors, stuff is out there, everybody's talking about it. To me, what we've said here about containment certainly applies in the continuous process. It seems to lend itself to that. What we've talked about in the past here at Interphex was don't scale out or make it continuously. That hybrid approach seems to be confirmed. And certainly the fact that they had 2 or 3 folks talking about it today would confirm that as far as it being a trend that continues to be of interest. And I have to say, that particular seminar was very well attended.